SAS programming challenges in ISS and ISE studies having TLF mismatches, why QC fails. Here I will consider 12 studies to be pulled from A to L into one single ISS and ISE studies and SDTM and ADAM data standards wherever relevant. The problem here is TLF, that is table listings and figures generation, and consistency across pooled versus study level. TLF templates must support both study level and pooled outputs. Footnotes and denominators must be correct. Now what does this pooled versus study level mean? Pooled is nothing but the TLFs that you are going to generate for ISS and ISE study, right? That is a combination of 12 individual studies. Now this study level is nothing but the table listings and figures that have been generated for 12 individual studies. So whenever you see, the consistency should match. The 12 individual studies, the table listings and figures, when you combine those, it should match exactly with the pooled, right? The solution here is to create TLF macros that accept parameters by study/all and compute denominators dynamically from ADSL flags. Use repeatable formatting macros for titles, footnotes indicating pooled, cutoff and population. Here I'll consider real-world scenario where safety table needs overall AE incidents and per study breakdown for top 10 preferred terms. The steps here is to include a macro, or you can generate this macro. You can develop your own macro as well by inputting the population, then by study or pooled variable. Then you can use this as prog SQL to compute n and underscore n event. You can ensure that the footnotes include pooled, cutoff and Medra version. The SAS hint here is you can keep table listings and figures SQL driven and do not hard code denominators. Now whenever you are calculating the counts and percentages, counts is anyways you will be deriving from proc freak or some proc tabulate or from some other procedure, like, right? But denominators, whenever you are calculating the percentages, now for calculating the percentages you need counts divided by the total number of observations. That total number of observations is nothing but the denominator. So that denominator, whatever it is, by treatment arm or by overall, it should never be hard coded, and it is not allowed. You cannot hard code the denominator in any of the SAS program manually. That has to be detected automatically through a small single macro, and then you need to calculate the counts and percentages. Keep always this in mind, because these hard coding of denominators is not allowed and it is not accepted in any clinical trial wherever you are generating the table listings and figures. Many thanks for watching my video and happy learning. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a feedback comment. Many thanks for your support and having a great connection.